Hey guys, this is my movie The Chip, and this is going to be the last video of this year 2017. I will meet you in my next video next year, so see you soon. Thanks for 45 subscribers. I hope more subscribers will come in 2018.
That's the bad news. A chip of the nuclear bomb has been stolen. Who stole it? And where? A person. He is near to us only. If the location near us, we should find him. I have more missions to do. I can't come with you. No problem. You can go. Commander Rohan, Commander Saurabh. We have a mission to accomplish. Come on, let's go. Commander Saurabh, take care of that part. Rohan, we'll split up over there. You killed my commandos! I never seen the country away now! Huh? I don't. Oh! I can't allow that! I feel that! No, you can't do this! Oh, stop it! What happened? That terrorist, he ran away. He killed both of my commandos and has injured me. Go! Chase the terrorist! I can't chase him right now. I can't leave you alone. No, you should chase the terrorist. I'm calling the ambulance right now. Oh no. Hello, ambulance. Yeah, it's urgent. You know, you came many times, that apartment? Yeah. It's urgent. You should have gone behind the terrorist. Leave me. No, I can't leave you alone. I wanted to chase a terrorist. Yeah, he has just run away from my place now. He'll be heading towards your location. Yeah, I want him dead by tomorrow. He has a great nuclear chip. Our country is in danger. Bye. Yeah. Boss, we have reached our destination. Boss, according to my view, to go up there.
Take over!